Alright, so there's the inlet from the stack. Okay, there's some kind of inlet, 25 feet. It's unusual.
That's odd.
There's the clay. And there's the excavation pit. Yeah, a lot of crud on the bottom there. Actually, we should jet it. Yeah, we should jet it first. Maybe a lot of that crud is holding all that water back. Yeah.
I didn't see everything.
Yeah, we didn't see any of that before. Look at all that.
Water.
Holy mackerel.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll wash that out, clear it, and then we'll grind it a little bit, and then we'll wash it one more time, and then we'll TV it. Alright, so now we've jetted it initially to get the bulk of the standing debris out.
Crack in the bottom.
Yeah.
A little bit.
A little crack in the bottom there.
Yeah.
Bottom right. A crack there.
Sanded.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, I don't think we're going to put the chain sink in here.
Ooh.
I think that's all we're going to do today, Mike.
I'll mess it up.
Yeah. At least he'll be working for a while. There's cracks outside too. Until they can decide what they're going to do with it. Okay, there's our jetter here. Alright, we're pretty much done. I'll go ahead and pack up and get out of here. So everything comes in the same place, so you can put a liner all the way up to this joint. I think I'm going to price that. I don't know what that is. It's the only question.